So next, in this question you're asked to integrate x square plus 5x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 2. This is quadratic by quadratic this time. So in the previous question we have linear by quadratic. So in this question you have quadratic by quadratic. So the general theory is that if the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator, if degree of numerator is greater than or equal to degree of denominator, so what you do is first you'll divide this with this. You do the general division. So we can see x square plus 5x plus 3 if it is divided with x square plus 3x plus 2. So the quotient is 1. So you have x square plus 3x plus 2. So minus minus minus. The remainder is 2x plus 1. That means the numerator can be written as 1 times denominator plus this. So this becomes integration of 1 times numerator plus 2x plus 1 by denominator dx. Right? So if this is the denominator, if you divide numerator by denominator, you get the quotient as 1 and the remainder as 2x plus 1. Now what you do is you separate these two. You distribute the integral. So in the first integral, so the numerator is 1 times, it says denominator because the divisor is the denominator. So 1 times denominator plus 2x plus 1. So if you separate this, you get 1 times denominator by denominator is 1 dx plus integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. So this integration is very straightforward. The integration is x plus this has become linear by quadratic. So linear by quadratic can be solved as we have done previously. So first what we do is x square plus 3x plus 2, we see the denominator. We write the differentiation of the denominator. It is 2x plus 3. Now we adjust the x term of the numerator. So in the x term you have 2x, here also you have 2x. So you don't need to multiply it with anything, you just need to multiply it with 1. Next adjust the constant term. I have plus 3 here, but I need plus 1, so I'll subtract it dx. Now I'll separate this again into 2 terms. So you get x plus integration of 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx minus 2 times integration of 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. So that is equal to x plus, this integration is again very straightforward because you have differentiation by denominator. So the answer is log mod x square plus 3x plus 2 plus this integration. So minus 2 times integration of 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2. 1 by quadratic. We do the method of completion of squares. So integration of 1 by, so this can be written as x plus, so this is 2 into x into 3 by 2. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus, you have a plus 9 by 4 here, so you have to subtract a 9 by 4 plus 2 minus 9 by 4 dx. So these two have already been done, so I'll just simplify this. So minus 2 times integration of 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 8 dx. So this is of the form x square minus a square. So the integration is minus 2 times 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. So 1 by 2 times a is 1 by root a, 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a, that is x plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this will be the integration. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, root 2 gets cancelled and goes up. So minus 2 root 2 times log mod. So you can just take the LCM here. The LCM is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2x plus 3 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2x plus 3 root 2 plus 1 plus c is the answer. So this term plus this term plus this term is the answer.